Sounds of 79. Meaning of poem. This poem is an uplifting tribute to a time that holds great significance for me. It's dedicated to the mods who introduced me to this fantastic sound, the finest ace faces I've encountered. It's also for all the mods who cherish these memories, from Secret Affair and beyond, but especially for the superb sounds and lyrical genius of the mod father, Paul Weller. Stanza 1. Every summer takes flight back to 79. To the anger and hope that could exist. Journeying in my thoughts to a time past. To the tunes of Top of the Pops. From the DLT show to Mike Red. Listening to the beats that brought us to life. The ska, and invariably, the jam and Secret Affair. When every scooter seemed sublime. Hoping one day one would be mine. Stanza 2. Strolling in the summer, moving to the rhythm of the sounds. Observing the sea of black and white shoes. Savoring the sensation of my slender black tie. Watching faces shimmer in the sunlight. Rising with the motion, feeling elevated. Clad in an American parka, as if I could soar. Transported to the past by the breeze of 64. Chorus. Sensing the revival of past styles now renewed. Experiencing the pulse of a forgotten generation. Tired of all that deserves to be undone. Embracing the shift to the novel. Perceiving life through a fresh lens. Millions like us roaming the streets. Attired impeccably, free of worries. Aware that the music unites us. Stanza 3. Traveling down to a ready steady go. Feeling the rhythm through my hair. Feeling the rhythm deeply embedded within us all. The vitality of Weller captured on the screen. Like a present with Townsend thrusting towards the sky. Realizing we had discovered the sound. The proclamation of the working class. Entangled in the kinks of the era. Stanza 4. Grooving together to the freshest tunes. In a mod-style club where joy abounds. Sensing the spirit floating everywhere. Dancing liberated, as everyone ought to be. Gliding through the streets, roaming the town. Sensing the moment was ripe to acquire new sounds. From Time for Action to Let Your Heart Dance. From the myriad shops, now they've shut down. Leaving me gazing back at the era of 79. Chorus. Sensing the revival of past styles now renewed. Experiencing the pulse of a forgotten generation. Tired of all that deserves to be undone. Embracing the shift to the novel. Perceiving life through a fresh lens. Millions like us roaming the streets. Attired impeccably, free of worries. Aware that the music unites us. Stanza 5. The scratches on the vinyl record preserve memories of time spent sitting on the edge in a parka, feeling the rhythm of the chords and the jam. No need for lights to reveal the dance floor. Energy burst forth with the first chord's life, echoing riffs until the stage's final beat. Parkas swaying to every beat and sound. A soul touched by the days of quadrophenia. These were our days when music was truly heard. When the mod soared with Merton Parkas and the chords. Stanza 6. Feeling the pulse of the mods in town. Observing rows of scooters neatly aligned. On every street, a parka can be found. Targets trailing me, never far behind. A mod world painted in the sky. Suits adrift upon the breeze. They're the ones who uphold the scene. Always drawing me back to the echoes of '79. Stanza 7. The sound echoes far and wide. Dreaming of freedom in the sky. Engulfed in light that shines so bright. Rhythms move, an electric flow. For the glory days are here to stay. Sweet sounds linger in the air. Rhythm ensnares the soul and mind. In life and on the streets, our appearance may be. Yet we are the glory boys. Mods until the end of time.